Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Ninoy Aquino International Airport. We are now taxiing towards NAIA Terminal 3 for your safe and proper ground disembarkation. We are pleased to announce that we have just landed 30 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance. For passengers with onward connecting flights on Cebu Pacific or Cebgo, please proceed to the transfer desk located at the arrival hall. For assistance, please approach our ground personnel upon disembarkation.
On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Empido with First Officer Sunga, and together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. Once again, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please bring this with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose it in the bins that will be provided near the exits. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Muli po namin pinaalalahanan ang lahat ng panauhin na huwag mag-iwan ng mga bagay na nais ninyong itapon sa loob ng eroplano. Mangyari lamang pong dalhin ng mga ito sa inyong pagbaba. Inaasahan po namin ang inyong pagsunod. And for guests with infant, the infant's life vest will be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket and be reminded that unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense.
Makita na yun naman si Lolo mo Dixmon. Hindi pa ubas si Papa mo sapatos, ha? Din? Arin namin siguro ni noodles.
Noodles?
Si Mama mo munmun ka pangita isang pastel. Diba sa kamigin na siya halin? Okay. Nag-okay lang ko pero wala ako kaintindi. Sorry man. Kenny Rogers o Stapa King? Press box. Press box. Ay, namali mama ni Munmon, sabi niya dito. Dito ka dito. Ay. Mama ni Munmon. Rotas. Garillo. Ano pa masas na nila? Joe Malone.
Joe Malone.
Yo?
Joe Malone.
Yo Malone.
Joe Malone.
May bears dito.
Once again, we are not yet boarding. Finally, remain seated
No, no.
in the holding area of gate number 112.
Guys, stop
Please
eating
leave for your
kids'
boarding
burgers.
call. Thank you.
Lumakaog.
Itong para sa lamok
Tsura
niya.
niya.
Atong box dira nga lapit sa basurahan. Yan daw may cord.
Dura naman.
Hindi,
Wala
brown
tingala.
na siya mang brown.
Hindi na tingalag.
Daw, ay daw cream itsura niya, hindi siya gali brown cream. Come on, Mom.
Matutay!
Nando ano na siya, daw baan na to. Ano itsura sa to?
Ang ano?
Kuya, mosquito, ano ba?
Basta daw
May
square
saksakan na siya,
puti.
Mang.
Puti.
Ay, man. Oh. Nag-ano ka daradahay? Nag-ano ka dara? Oh. Gawa mo ginababa mo.
Tuday!
Ang itsura niya daw box na brown.
Sa baba.
Wala sa may ano, wala sa may cabinet.
Tuday!
Syria. Ano storya mo? Nag-ano kada kaina? Nag-ano kada kaina? Gibilin ko nila. Ayun. Sulak ako pa dyan sa? Oy, sige. Sunod naman eh.
Sa August naman mo na.
August naman. Buo. Pero titikol nyo bo. Ano daw how? Wala ka niya ginkuhan. Birthday mon. Ano ginkuhan ni lolo mo? Pakaon ka na serela.
Cerelac, hindi isang kuhan.
Atong imo nga puree ha. Atong blueberry ara sa ref. Gamay na lang man to. Ginano niya.
Plano nila sa Cebu Pacific. Taon talo. Withdraw na. Hindi na ito. Ito. 145 days na lang naman. Balik naman kami ni mama. Dali lang na. Why? Nabasa ko lang. Dapat dito. Pila bakal mo sini?
Ikaw na bakal sinindi ako.
Dito pila ni.
Buta?
Oh, yo. Hi, Mon. Bago lang kami pulit ni mama mo. Kita ko gani.
Nila, Diyos ko.
Huh?
Sabi ni dadara to si mama.
Oh.
Igalimpyo ko sa kwarto sa piyak.
Tapos. Lord. Sige. Cool na. Okay na. Oo nga. Ako nga na 68 lang. Pero dugay ko na PBRU. Kaya wala sang may mag-PBRU.
Wala may
Daming
bladder
discount.
training man subong.
Wala gani ko.
Wala ka slat.
Wala. Dapat mag-training na. Kapoy mo na. Ginabutan ko 30 minutes. Almost 1 hour pangita kung sino magkuhan.
Wala mo si sister eh. Sister, pwede ko panbi.
Wala nila ako ginapatraining.
So, ang kutsa nga naman na.
Buta na tamad ko mangita. Sang kuhan sister.
Wala, bisang magtabang sa kundayon. Sister, busy mo tanan.
Gibutong ko lang si Raisa gina.